So now that we've got all the trimming done around the perimeter, I'm going to go back and seal in the edges with these 3/4 inch lath screws. We're going to go through the turf down into the bender board, and that's going to secure the edges so that we don't have any lifting if we have high winds or anything like that. So for this, it's just a matter of getting a screwdriver and the 3/4 inch lath screws. Important technique here though is to find the bender board beneath and pull the turf away so that you're exposing the underliner, and screw down, and that way you're not pinching any turf and the screw is hidden down below. For further information or any additional questions, please refer to the link and email listed below.